Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remap the triple touch controls on the QCY Buds ANC wireless earbuds. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the QCY app and make sure that the earbuds are out of the case and that they have been paired to the app. So then we're going to press device, then press setting, and here you have the triple touch controls. So you have one for the left right here and one for the right, and select the one that you want to change this option on. And here you have a few options. So for example, you can turn down the volume with volume up, volume down, replay tracks by selecting previous or next, play and pause, or just change the ANC, or even disable the option fully if you don't want to use it. So after you've selected the option that you want, you can just it will be saved automatically and already saved on your earbuds. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.